Welcome to this session. And this session we will be talking about divisibility rules. So what is divisibility? There are numbers from 1 to 9. These are the digits, okay? And zeros. Any number in the universe can be formed in with using these numbers only. Without this, there is no any number. Without this, there is no any number in the universe. So we will learn the divisibility rule of these numbers, that we can find any number. Usually we used to know only few numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 5. These all we know. What is the solution if they give the number 24? Let's say they give a number like 1288. Is this divisible by 24 or not? This is the question. How can we solve? If they ask 2, you may be able to say 4, 6, 8, 10. You can say, but what is the issue if they give a number 24? How you will write? How you will calculate that given number is divisible by 32 or not? What is the solution you have? What is the formula you have? What is the formula you have to use? So for this, we are learning divisibility rule. This is the holistic approach, that any number they may give, you can find the solution and you can tell either it will divisible by that number or not. So for this, the fundamentals should be very strong. Fundamental strong should be there. Fundamental strength is very important. Tricks, nothing with the tricks. Once you are fundamentally strong, you are able and you are eligible to attempt any question. So for this, if any number it is divisible by 2, the main rule what you know, and let's see here. A number is divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is any of these 5. If any number unit digit having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. What is unit digit? This is, if this is the number, this is called unit digit. This is tens digit. This is 100 digit. This is thousands digit. So this is called unit digit. If in this unit digit we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Any of these numbers, if it is present in unit digit, then that number compulsory it will be divisible by 2. What is divisibility rule of 3? If any given number should be divisible by 3, then what is the rule for it? The rule for this is you have to calculate all the digits sum. Please remember one thing. Here what they given? 695,421. This is the number. It is divisible by 3 or not. How you can say? Will you do like this? 3 2 is 6, 3 5 one time, and next 4. How much time it will take? It will take a lot of time. In competitive exams, the questions will be like this only. They won't give you 6 divided by 3. No. They won't give like this. There is be very complex questions. But how much complex it may be, you have to deal with very simply. Okay. So what we have to do? What we have to do, you have to add all these numbers. 6 plus 9 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. How much you will get? You will get 27. Okay, let's do it in a simple manner. The digital sum is 27. This 27 is easy to find whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 3 nines are 27, 0. Sufficient. So this number is divisible by, this number is divisible by 3. Okay, grand. The main thing is what? The sum of digits should be divisible by 3. So you have to do two things. One, you have to add and you have to divide. Two things you have to do. You have to do add and you have to divide it. What is divisibility rule of 9? A number is divisible by 9 only when the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Sum of its digits should be divisible by 9. Here he has given 2, 4, 6, 5, 9, 1. Add this one, you will get again 26. Again you have to divide it with 9. Is there any option? Yes, 9 3s are 27. Again, okay, done. It is divisible by 9. So here also you have to do what? Addition plus divisible. Two things you have to do. These are the things you have to manage. If any number divisible by 4, a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by it last two digits is divisible by 4. Last two digits. The number having many digits, we don't care any of that. We don't care how many numbers it have. We don't care how much numbers it have. We only care the last two digits are divisible by 4 or not. Here 6, 8, 7, 9, 3, 7, 6. This is the biggest number. Okay, bigger number. And what I will do, I will take only 76. And I will divide it by 4. I know 76 is divisible by 4 or not. I may be not remembering the table in exam pressure. So how I can deal with 4 ones are 4, 36. 4 nines are 36, 0, 19 times. So this number is divisible by 4. Here also what you have to do? You have to identify last two digits. Identification is important. Identification plus dividing with, again, two things you have to do. Let's see this one. Divisibility rule of 11. Any number divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of its digit at odd places, sum of its digit at even places is either 0 or number divisible by 9. Let's say we have a number 294354417. Okay, this is the number. What is this? These are places. I am not talking about numbers. The place the number is there. The place the number is there. 2 is some place, 4 is some place, 5 is at some place, 1 is at some place. What I am doing? I am adding these numbers. And I am adding these numbers separately. Separately I have to add. And after addition, I will do subtraction between both. This one will get one number, that will be 23. This number is there, no? You will get another sum and that will be 12. And you will get what? You will get 11. If you get 11, then that number is divisible. If you get 0, that number is divisible. If you get 12, no, it is not divisible. If you get 1, you get 2, you get 3, you get 4, you get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, not at all. You won't, that number never will be divisible by 11. Divisibility rule of 25. What we have to do? We think it is very simple, but sometimes it will consume our time in examination. So let's talk about divisibility rule of 25. Give me some time. A number is divisible by 25 if the number formed by its last two digits is either 00 or 25. This is the only rule. You no need to calculate Somebody, what they will do? They will take, if there is 5, it is divisible by 25. No. How you can say that? Is this 35? Is it divisible by 25? Not at all. Will this be divisible by 25? No. Yes. Why? 00 or 25. Okay. 2 square is 2. 4. 2 cube is 8. 2 power 4 is 16. 2 power 5 is 32. 2 power 6 is 64. This you know, right? What does this mean? If a number want to divisible, if you want to know that either the number is divisible by 4, you have to check the last 2 digits. Okay. If you want to check the number divisible by 8, you have to check last 3 digits. If the number is divisible by 16, the last 4 digits will be divisible by 16. If you want to know the number divisible by 32 or not, you have to check the last 5 digits. If the number is divisible by 64, last 6 digits should be divisible by 64. If the number is, now you can simply say 128, right? 2 power 7 is 128. If you want to check either the number is divisible 128 or not, what you want to do? You have to check last 7 digits you have to check. Got the point? This is a divisibility rule of 4, of 8, of 16, of 32, of 64, of 128. This simple logic you can learn up to n number of things which are powers of 2. Okay, so that we have completed divisibility rule of 16. So in 16, what is the rule? A number is divisible by 16 if the number formed by its last 4 digits. Last 4 digits. Here you check it. Last 4 digits is divisible by 16. There is no any specific rule for 6. There is only one rule, that it should divided by 6. It should be divided by 2 and it should be divided by 3. If any given number is divisible by 12, then it should divided by 3 and it should be divided by 4. You know the divisibility rule of 3. You know the divisibility rule of 4. Then you can easily say that it is divisible by 12. Okay. And if it is 15, a number is divisible by 15 if the number is divided by both 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Because 15 is the product of 3 into 15, 3 into 5. Okay, 12 is the product of 3 into 4. Okay, 6 is the product of 2 into 3, right? So if I want to know about 12, I should have clarity about 3 and 4. If a given number should be divided by 12, the number should and must be divided by 3 and 4. Then only it will divided by 12. Directly there is no any rule for 12. You have to know 3, you have to know 4. Then only you can say it is divisible by 12 or not. Okay. In the same manner, if it is the situation with 18, what is the situation? 2 and 9. You have to know the 2 and 9. The given number should be divided by 2. The given number should be divided by 9. Then only the complete number will be divided by 18. If it is divided by 2 and it is not divided by 9, my dear friend, it is never divided by, it will be never divided by the number 18. What is the situation with 14? 14 also same. 2 and 17. 2 and 7. Why? Because 2 into 7 is 14. This is a factorization, right? This is a prime number. This is a prime number. This is a factorization. Are you getting my point? And next 24. What is the 24? A given number is divisible 24 if it is divisible by 3 and 8. The number should be divided by 3 and 8. So you have to be strong with the fundamentals. You have to must and know about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the fundamental numbers. You have to know all these numbers completely. There is no any excuse here. You have to be completely aware of this number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. You should have a complete crystal clear clarification regarding these numbers. And if it is 40, very easy. You can write 40 as 5 into 8. You know 5. What is the divisibility rule of 5? Last number should be 5. And you know about 8. What is about 8? Last 3 digits should be divided by 8. That's it. If you want to know about 40, you just want to know the last 3 digits. These 3 digits you can use for 8 and this last digit you can use for 5. Then you can clearly say that number is divisible by 40 or not. If the number is divisible by 8, the given number is divisible by 80. If it is divisible by 5 and 16, you know 16 and you know 5. Or what is the 16? 16 last 4 digits. What is 5? Last single digit. Like this, you can use these divisibility rules to check either the number is divisible by the given number or not. Okay. This is the main formula for any number. For any number you may know. If a number is divisible by P as well as Q, where P and Q are co-primes, then the given number is divisible by PQ. Let's say P and Q. If a number is divisible by P, if there is a number called X and it is divisible by P and it is divisible by Q and these both are co-primes, then that number is divisible by P into Q. Let's say 12. It is divisible by 3 and it is divisible by 4. Now 3 and 4 having any common factors? Any common factors? What are the factors of 3? What are the factors of 4? 1 is a factor of 3. 3 is a factor of 3. 1, 2, 4. These are the factors of 3. These are the factors of 4. But how many are common? Only 1 is common. So these both are co-primes. Okay. So if these two numbers are co-primes, then this number is then 3 into 4, that is 12, also divide that number. This is the formula. But if P and Q are not co-primes, then the given number need not be divisible by PQ, even when it is divisible by both. Example, 36 is divisible by 4 and 6. Let's say 36 divisible by 4 and 6, but it is not divisible by 24. It will work out with 4 and 6. It won't work out with 24 because these both are not co-primes. How? Let's see 4 factors. Let's see 6 factors. Factors of 4. 1, 2, 4. Am I right? 1, 2, 3, 6. How many factors are similar here? 1 is there here and 2 also there here. Are you getting my point? What is the definition for co-primes? Only one. Only one should be common. But here 2 also common. So it is not, these both are not co-primes. As well as this is not prime number, this is not prime. That is, we are not talking about prime numbers. We are talking about co-primes. Co-primes means when two numbers come into contact. When we are treating two numbers in a same scenario, these should have a common factor other than 1. Then it is not a co-prime. You should have only common factor, that is 1. You should have a common factor 1, then only it is called as coprime. Otherwise, it never called as coprime. Okay, let's solve this question. This is the question in examination we have got. What is the number? 89715938. The unknown non-zero digit marked as star will be. Don't see options. Don't try to see the options. Just solve this like this, as you know the formula. What is the formula for 4? Last 2 digits divisible by 4. Am I right? So let's take the last 2 digits. 8 and something else. And this is not 0. That means what are the options we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. But you should not take 0. You have these options only. This is fine. Are you okay with this? Okay. 81. Is this divisible by 4? No. 82. Divisible by 4. But initially, if you by heart the tables, it will be very useful. Okay. So what are the options if in examination you can use options, but while you are practicing, there is no any logic behind seeing the options. While you are practicing, in examination you can directly choose the options. Okay, 82, will it be divisible by 4? Let's see. 82, 4, 2 times 8, 2 is the remainder. No, this won't work out, this won't work out. And let's see with 3. 83, will it be divisible by 4? 2 times 8, 3. No, it is not divisible by 83 also. Wrong answer. 84, let's see 84. Solve with me. 4, 8, 2 are 8, 4, 1 are 4, 0. Right. This is solvable. Okay, 5. Let's see 85 divisible by 4 times 8, 5, 1 times 4. No, this is not divisible. 86, 4, 2 times 8, 6, 4 ones are 4, 2. No, 87, 2s are 8, 7, 1 times 4, 3. No, this is also not correct. 8, 4, 22, 88. See, there are two options. 9 as well as 9 also won't be divisible. And 0, he already mentioned that non-zero digit. What they mentioned? They mentioned non-zero digit. Non-zero digit. So we have options 84, 88. That's it. Got the clarity? And is there any options here matching with this number? 2 is not matching, 3 is not matching, and 6 is not matching, only 4 is matching. Maybe here it will be 8 also. Then this also will work out. This also will work out. But there is only 2 options because, so the final number will be what? 8971593884. This is the final number. This will be exactly divisible by 4 because we have to concentrate on last 2 digits only. For 4, last 2 digits. For 8, last 3 digits. For 16, last 4 digits. For 32, last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Because this is 2 square, this is 2 cube, this is 2 power 4, this is 2 power 5. How much the power, that much the digits you have to care. How much the power, that much digits you have to care. How much the power, that much digits you have to care. How much power, that much digits you have to care. How much power, that much digits you have to care about. This is only in the case of 2 only, not in the case of 3, not in the case of 4, not in the case of 5, only with the case of 2. Okay. Okay, please solve this. This is a very simple question because this is a level 1 episode, and in the final advanced level we will be solving very tricky questions also. You have to update this. You have to update this. What we have to do, we have to add it. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. If there is any problem with these videos, or if there is any explanation or mistake within my videos, you can clearly comment it, and you can WhatsApp the number given below, and we will respond for your grievances, and we will surely address the mistake. And thank you for being with this channel. Thank you for supporting. If you like the content, you please like the video and you just subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. We'll be right back.